In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off energy saving mode on your LG smart television. So the first thing we need to do is head over to the settings page on your television. Now there's two ways you can do this. You can either press the settings icon located on your television remote, and you can see if I press this is going to automatically bring up the settings page. Now another way you can get to the settings is clicking the home button on your television remote. And then from here, use the arrow keys to come up to the settings icon in the top navigation, and then click OK on the settings. Now, once you have the settings on your screen, you need to scroll all the way down this list, and we're going to select all settings. Now, give that a few seconds while it loads up all of the television settings. Then what you need to do is use the down arrow key to come over to the general tab, and then you need to use the right arrow key to come across over to this window here. And then we're going to scroll down until you see this option for energy saving. Click OK on this. And then click on energy saving step. And we're going to change this from auto to off like so. And then just press OK if this message pops up. And then what you're going to do is scroll down to auto power off and select this. And you also want to make sure this feature is turned off as well. And once you've disabled both of these settings, that will turn off energy saving mode on your TV. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.